Good morning. This is Miss Bishop from PS 152 and Foundations, and I'm here this morning to go over table writing with you with the alphabet drill cards. Before we get into that, let's gather a few materials. If you have your whiteboard at home, you know that one side may have these three big lines. If you have that, would you please get that for your table? You may have a whiteboard that has these lines, and that is fine as well. Also, you may want to gather your student notebook. Inside your student notebook, you have the alphabet showing on the inside cover, right on the back of the front cover. This gives you reference to how to write the letters beautifully. You also have a picture reference card that shows the cues for the letter sound. We say the letter name of the alphabet, the picture, and the sound. That's what those little backslashes mean. For example, we'd say B, bat, B, or K, kite, K. You may, if you have your composition book at home, that's one with Win, W, W. These things are in a different location. You would go to the back of your book to find the letters written out here. In this book, they do not have the sound symbol pictures. That is only in the octopus book. So to model for you and your family today, I'm going to use my whiteboard, really focusing on making sure that you can see the grass line, where all the letters sit for lowercase letters when we're doing our alphabet card drill, the plane line, the cloud sky line, and the worm line. Hello, Mr. Worm. All right, so let us begin sitting up straight and tall using our pointer finger. This is for right-handed students. There is a video for left-handed students, and it really is my pleasure to bring that to you today. So if you're sitting by yourself, you're sitting up straight and ready to write. If your family is with you, or if you're playing school, we'll do this all together. We shall begin. A, apple, ah. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, e. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. So this is our first worm line one. We'll start at the dotted line and go under, hook up on the worm line, and a dot. K, kite, k. L, lamp, M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Again, start on the plane line, down to the worm line, back up, and make your P. Q, U, queen, qua. So we start like making an A, down with a hook, and then the letter U. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Short line, and then the long line from the plain line down to the worm line. Z, zebra, z. Zigzag symbol right there. Great job for you. Give yourself a thumbs up. You're welcome to play this video again to practice. And thank you for your time and attention today to do your letter card drill tabletop writing.